Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how I actually fix my issue with the Camtasia project file error that I was getting. It is a weird error. It doesn't give you any information as to what happened and what I had just saved a file and I did a lot of work on it and I couldn't open it, and I was very frustrated saying that, okay, what the hell is going on with this Camtasia, because I've been using this on a Mac before and I've never faced this issue, but for some reason when I went to Windows and I've apparently started to see this issue in it, and I couldn't really figure out what was going on. So here's what was going on when I opened the file. It takes a few seconds for it to load, so I'm going to pause this for a second. So here's what is happening. It is trying to load the project file. First of all, it takes a long time to open up this file, and then eventually you will see this error. There you go. That's the error I'm getting. The project file cannot be opened. Make sure the selected file is a valid .tscproj or a .camproj file. Well, I just opened it. It has been associated with it. I just simply saved it as well a minute ago. So I don't know what's going on with this. So I started researching a little bit on the internet, and what I realized that the project file is nothing but seems to be a config file for a startup, and it's in text and it's in a JavaScript format. So I said, can I edit that file? So I opened that file to have a look at it and see what might have been the issue with it. Well, before I start to edit this, and I did edit this file, I made a copy of it so that if I mess up with this file, I can actually go back to it again. So there you go. I just made a copy of it, and then I went back to editing this file. Now, what I realized was I had a network location for my logo. The issue really was that even though network is available, it seems like there's a lot of lag to get to that location for some reason. I have no idea, although I can get to it right away, and Windows can get to it right away. Maybe, Camtasia is not able to handle it. Well, so I said, okay, what can I do to change this? Can I make it local and see if that resolves the issue? So I said, okay, let me try and make this local. This is exactly what I did. So I created a folder called helper files, and I copied the file over in that folder. And then I copied the path to that file, and I pasted it right here, replacing the location. But since it's JavaScript, and JavaScript requires a escape character for every backslash, that means you have to put a double backslash. I replaced the double backslash to make sure that I don't have an error in the file. Then I saved that file, and then closed it and went back to the file and tried to open it up again. Now you see that it started to load up. There you go. Problem fixed. Well, I hope this is informative enough, or does help you to resolve your issue, because I was very frustrated after spending hours and hours and days doing the project. And I couldn't open the file suddenly. Well, good luck, and thank you for watching the video.